Slope definition: to have or take an inclined or if we substitute the above points in the slope formula, we will get of the line is in the form of y equals mx plus the.
Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well and I'm doing good. In this video, you will learn an interesting topic. Moreover, you will find this video helpful. In my channel, you will find videos that focus on math content and exploring new things like travel, adventures and many more. So please subscribe to our channel and watch the video till the end. We will upload a mixture or a combination of videos as well. Now, let's quickly dive into this video.
Let's see what the slope is. And an example. Slope definition: to have or take an inclined or oblique direction or angle considered with reference to a vertical or horizontal plane. Moreover, the slope or gradient of a line is a number that describes both the direction and the steepness of the line. Learning outcomes are: find the slope from a graph. Identifying rise and run from a graph, change in y divided by change in x. The slope of a line formula and how to find it. Let the coordinates of those 2 points be. P1 equals x1, y1 equals coordinates of the first point in the line. P2 equals x2, y2 equals coordinates of the second point in the line. Slope equals m equals y2, y1 by x2, x1 where m is the slope. Quickly look into the slope of the line formula. The slope of a line can be calculated from the equation of the line. The general slope of a line formula is given as y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, b is the vertical intercept or y-intercept. Let's see an example. Sketch a graph for which each point has the same value for x as for y. Maybe start with a table of values x and y. Find what is the slope of the line. Solution: to sketch a graph for which each point has the same value for x as for y, we can use the following table of values. X, and if x equals 0 then y equals 0. If x equals 1 then y equals 1. If x equals 2 then y equals 2. If x equals 3 then y equals 3. If x equals 4 then y equals 4. Plotting these points on a coordinate plane, we can see that they form a straight line passing through the origin with a slope of 1. The slope of the line can be found using the formula slope equals change in y by change in x. Since each point has the same value for x as for y, the change in y and the change in x are equal for any 2 points on the line. Therefore, the slope is, let's take the point x, y equals 1, 1. Slope equals change in y, change in x equals 1 divided by /1 equals 1. Or, also, we can use the slope equals m equals y2, y1, x2, x1. Let's take 2 points from the table. x1, y1 equals 0, 0, x2, y2 equals 1. If we substitute the above points in the slope formula, we will get m equals 1 to 0, 1 to 0, which will be m equals 1, 1. Therefore, m equals 1. Now, to find the slope of the line, the equation is y equals mx plus b. We already know the slope, m equals 1. To find b, let's take 1 point from the table, x, yx, and if x equals 0 then y equals 0. If x equals 1 then y equals 1. If x equals 2 then y equals 2. If x equals 3 then y equals 3. If x equals 4 then y equals 4. Let's take x, y equals 1, 1. Now substituting this in the equation. 1 equals 1, 1 plus b, 1 equals 1 plus b. Subtracting 1 on both sides. Minus 1 plus 1 equals minus 1 plus 1 plus b. Reminder, rule of integer: adding a positive number with a negative number is done by finding the difference between the absolute value of both numbers. Then, the sign with a greater number gets attached to the sum. Therefore, the step will be 0 equals 0 plus b. Hence, b equals 0. We know that m equals 1, b equals 0. The equation of the line is in the form of y equals mx plus, then plugging in all the values, y equals 1, x plus 0. Hence, y equals x. This is the slope of the line.
I hope this video is helpful for a better understanding of this new topic. I'll meet you all with another interesting video. This video. Subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos like this.